Hi there, this is Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1959 MGA 1500 Coupe, right-hand drive. So pretty rare production car in right-hand drive form. We purchased this from an English gentleman in Florida who brought it over from the UK. The car's been sitting for a little while because he's just been elderly, hasn't been using it, which is why we were able to purchase it from him. So, but good little car cosmetically. It's not too bad for being a right-hand drive car. There are a few little spots of corrosion on the body, and that needs a little bit of attending. But really nice interior. It's fitted with a wood wheel, chariot red, black interior, 4-speed, 1500 engine, kind of older paint, showing a few chips. I think he said it was restored in the UK when he was back in England, and had a British restoration. The car right now, we haven't done too much to it. We've brought it in and cleaned it. It is going to need sort of brakes and fuel recommissioning before it's up and running and driving again. So, but yeah, they did a pretty decent paint job. They did a glass out repaint, as you can see here. They kind of redid the rubber front and rear screens, brand new windshield. Paint is, just driver quality. We're seeing a little bit of some slight bubbling in the fender joint area in a couple spots, base of the windshield, some knickknacks. But, super fun, interesting car to drive around in this right-hand drive form. You can see a little bit of cracking and chipping there. So just kind of older paint. In a good MGA color, but really pretty coupe here. Really pretty, interesting 1500 coupe, right-hand drive. Chrome is decent on it. You can have a look here. You can see it's got like reasonably decent bumpers, but like I was saying, brand new front windshield. A little bit of chipping on the door edges that can be touched up. But still a little bit of life in this paintwork. If you were to buy this car and enjoy it, you could kind of live with the cosmetics for a while. Pretty nice paint on the roof. Older tires, I'll probably switch those out. But a really good little car for recommissioning, getting back up and driving on the road, and enjoying it as is cosmetically. Let's take a look at this car's interior. Really nice interior. This horn cap is just falling off, but we're just gonna glue that back on at some point. But yeah, really nice. Just leave that off. Really nice, just older, lovely restored interior, black leather seats, gray carpeting as it should have. Fantastic headliner, really nice. Even fitted the visors, but beautiful, completely redone headliner as part of the restoration. Brand new panel kit, correct coupe seats in black leather, just in excellent condition. Dashboard was completely covered, and like I was saying, we're gonna stick that horn push back on. But beautiful period style wood steering wheel there, which is a big plus. So, but you can see the car received like full cosmetics as part of the restoration while it was in England. And door seal's a little bit firm, still hasn't broken in. It's that older style from the 90s or early 2000s. So, but let me take you around here to the passenger side. So yeah, super good bonus there of having this this really tidy interior with that mint headliner fitted, seats trimmed in leather, original gray carpet kit, great great door panels here. Yeah, while I'm around here, let me do the hood pull. So under here we can see it was an original, looks like an original Chariot red car. Correct 1500 cc engine. Should not take much to get that up and going again. Brakes and tires, and just that little recommissioning there to get that fired up and going. We haven't tried to start the car yet, but the previous owner just parked it and fell into a little bit of failing health there, so he hasn't been driving it. But there you have it, 1959 MGA 1500 fixed head coupe, Chariot red, black leather interior, 4-speed, disc wheels, alloy wood steering wheel, right hand drive form. Just a good driver that needs a little bit of mechanical recommissioning, and you're off and going. You're enjoying it this spring, summer on the road. www.kurttannermotorcars.com